Let's learn fruits in Spanish. You ready? A pineapple is pronounced la piña. La piña. La piña. I love piñas. Do you know how to say banana in Spanish? It's called el plátano. El plátano. El plátano. Good job. How about an orange? This is a hard one. It's called la naranja. La naranja. La naranja. What about an avocado? That's called el aguacate in Spanish. El aguacate. El aguacate. And a coconut is pronounced el coco in Spanish. El coco. El coco. Good job, everyone. Now let's go eat some fruta.